what is a lead magnet, and how to use it to generate leads. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, check out the link in the description in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. Like I said, today we're focused on lead magnets and what is a lead magnet, so let's jump into it. So if you head over to the 30minutemarketing.net blog, of course there'll be a link in the description to check out this blog post. I answer the question, what is a lead magnet? And that answer is simply, a lead magnet is an irresistible offer or a bribe that's giving value to a prospect in exchange for their contact information. Okay, now the goal of this is to add them to your list to create trust, while also adding them to your overall sales funnel to convert them into paying customers. Bob Bly, who actually wrote the copywriting handbook, and he just recently came out with the 4th edition, great read, I highly recommend it, actually has a way of talking about lead magnets, and lead magnets being what they used to be called, free content. But he calls free content offers are used as bait by many marketers to get leads from prospects. For this reason, free booklets and other free content were called bait pieces. Today they're known as lead magnets. Today the preferred term for free content is lead magnet. The idea being the tempting offer or valuable free information is like a magnet that draws people into your ad and gets them to respond to the request for the white paper or the other free content that you've offered them. Okay? So why do you need a lead magnet? And simple answer to that question is exactly, you need a lead magnet to generate leads. Now, what is a lead? Okay, a lead is a potential buyer. Okay, more importantly, it's a qualified prospect that has been proven to be interested in your products or services, and they are a potential customer or client. Now, a lead isn't guaranteed to buy, but they are far more likely to because they've shown interest in your product or products in your niche market. So the thing about generating leads is you want to qualify those leads. So you need to entice them to offer their contact information in exchange for your free offer or your bribe. Okay, so a simple example, like I said on the blog post, again, the link's in the description. If you're offering dog walking services, you might offer a free report on training your dog or how to get bargains on pet supplies or even a coupon for 50% off the customer's first walking session. Okay? Now, there's 4 main elements here to this overall process of generating leads. That's the system, the lead magnet, which is what we're discussing today and answering the question, what is a lead magnet? The squeeze page, entry funnel, and then, of course, traffic. So let's take a look at what that really looks like when we talk about the overall system. So if you want to see the complete system, of course, the system is going to be the lead magnet itself or the report, as you see over here in the right-hand corner, this PDF right here. And in the complete system are the download pages, the lead magnet delivery system, your thank you page, your lead magnet opt-in page, and then of course the way that you deliver that free report. Again, we're focused here on the free report, which is the bribe, or the free offer, which is your lead magnet, and how to use that to generate qualified leads. But this is the overall system. So basically what you would do is you would have traffic, and traffic would be everything you see here, from email to AdWords to search, banner ads, Bing, chat bots, Facebook ads, anything you see here, Instagram, Messenger, LinkedIn, Snapchat, as you can see, YouTube. So these are all traffic sources. So for example, if it was Facebook right here, a paid ad, that would look like this, where you would have a Facebook ad and you would actually be driving traffic to your lead magnet, to your offer. Again, this is a complete system. That Facebook ad would be paid traffic to your lead magnet, which is hosted on your hosting service or a paid service like Lead Pages. Allows them to opt in to get that contact information and takes them through your complete system to actually get your lead magnet. Another great example of that, if you want to see a real world example, would be the way the complete system, the complete funnel with Digital Marketer looks. Of course, this is what that would look like. So Digital Marketer here, as you can see, is running Facebook ads to an opt-in page. You can see here the long form copy, which is their opt-in to get their lead magnet. Then of course they have upsells, checkouts, upsells, and all that. But the point here is Facebook ad to opt-in page to lead magnet right here. And then you can see what happens there is That takes you to their long form copy that takes you to their lead magnet download. And of course, they have an indoctrination series here, or an introduction series saying, welcome to, the family. Here's everything you need to know. Here's your lead magnet, download it. And then of course on the back end, upsells, checkouts, upsell upgrades, and then a confirmation. So that's the complete system of your lead magnet. But let's step back and let's focus on how to use a lead magnet and what it is you're using and doing inside of your lead magnet to first hand over their contact information for your free offer, your bribe, or your bait piece. So over at Neil Patel's blog, he has a great article here about creating irresistible lead magnets. And one of the things I want to focus on here was how lead magnets can build your business, because this is something that you really have to wrap your head around in. Because the lure of free is incredibly powerful, according to Predictably Irrational author Dan Ariely. So he proved this with a simple experiment. He gave groups of people the option of selecting from different Amazon gift cards. Respondents could choose from receiving either a $10 gift card for free or a $20 gift card for only $7. Now, if you were to step back and, like it says here in the article, look at this objectively, based on the cold hard math, you'd see that the second option was better. $13 versus $10. But the problem is you had to reach in your wallet and you had to give them $7. Now, there are different aspects to marketing of utilizing this way to generate leads. For example, using a book funnel or a free plus shipping option, that type of thing, a self-liquidating offer versus just giving away a lead magnet. But we're focused here on giving away free content and making sure that that free content is highly valuable to our potential leads. So anyway, that was just a quick look inside of the concept of using the lure of a free piece, a free offer such as a lead magnet. The next thing I want to talk about is make sure that you understand how your lead magnet is working. And over at coffeechief.com, there's a nice little article here that led into a podcast interview, and it asked the question, so how's your lead magnet? Is it doing the job of establishing your unique expertise and giving, oh wow, value to the best prospects? Yes, no, kind of, maybe. So this is the question you need to ask yourself. Is your lead magnet effectively making someone go, wow, I need this, and then when they download it going, wow, this is great content? This is how you make your lead magnet effective. This is how you make your free offer a very powerful tool in generating leads and turning those leads into customers. Of course, you also want your lead magnet to be evergreen, and that means you want to make sure that it is always updated and has the most accurate information as of the most current information that is available. So creating a lead magnet is one thing, just like they said over here at Sleek Note. Creating one and invite your readers to return again and again is another thing. So here, out of their 4-step process, is step 1, which is very critical because no two audiences are alike. So step 1 inside of their 4-step system over at Sleek Note is define what your audience wants and give it to them. So for example, you can see some users prefer browsing swipe files. Others favor getting plug and play templates and achieving a particular quick result and making their life easier. So for example, downloading a pre-built Google Sheet. And this gets into the idea and the concept of the different types of lead magnets that we're going to cover later here in this video. But I want you to get in the mindset of making sure that you cover this first step when you create your lead magnet. Yes, it is a free offer, but it has to define what your audience wants. It has to be very specific, and it has to then deliver on that specific offer. Again, it's free, but you need to make sure that it's highly valuable, both perceived in value and real value. And again, this is very important. And over at Digital Marketer, like I'm showing you here on the screen, they have an 8-step process here to building the best lead magnet you can build. But the quote that I wanted to drive home from Digital Marketer here is, just because it's free doesn't mean it should look free. Step number 7 is high actual value. If your lead magnet is all sizzle and no steak, you may get your prospect's contact information, but you'll lose their attention. And if you lose their attention, then you've lost them forever. So to win, you must promise. Again, you must promise, and that's in the headline, that's in the lead, that's in the way that you present your free offer, your bait. But then once you get people, you get that target market, that audience that you're trying to attract, once you get them to turn over their contact information, you got to deliver, okay? And then step 8 here is rapid consumption. This means that you want to make sure that no matter what type of lead magnet that you generate, that the information is useful and helpful, but it's also very easily and quick to consume, where people can actually get a result that you promised when you offered that lead magnet to them. So take all that into consideration. And then to follow up on the different formats and styles, of course, in the blog post, like I said, over 30minutemarketing.net, which is in the link in the description, there's a whole list of different types of lead magnets and a way you can deliver them, which really helps you answer and understand the complete picture of what is a lead magnet and how to use them to generate content. Just like we talked earlier, not all audiences are the same. So this is going to be kind of niche specific, but also depending upon the thing that your customers want and need. So for example, over at impactbnd.com, they list one of the ways or one of the types of lead magnets to be a quiz or a survey. And then they give a great example. And they say in some industry, quizzes and surveys have tremendous value and are very effective as lead magnets. So don't make assumptions, because we're not talking about BuzzFeed quizzes here, okay, or quizzes on your timeline. We're talking about quizzes or decision trees or surveys that allow people to answer questions that you ask them, that allow you to provide them very detailed information. For example, you can see the lead magnet here from Neutrogena, which is let's solve it, ready to find your personalized acne routine. So they're going to ask you questions about the things that you do and about your skin, etc., inside of the niche of solving acne or facial care. So again, this is the perfect way to go about attracting your target audience by making sure that your lead magnet not only is effective, but it's in a format that can be the most effective for your audience by actually giving them helpful information and leading them down the path they need to go to get to the end result of your lead magnet, which is to get someone to take a direct action in response to your offer or your lead magnet. In this case, it's a quiz or a survey Neutrogena is using to ask questions to make sure that they're giving you the most helpful information to direct you to a Neutrogena product that's going to help solve your acne problem. So to wrap this all up, again, what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is an irresistible offer. It's a bribe to get someone's contact information, to add them into your system, to make sure that you get them into your sales process, to make sure that they can become a paying customer. And you can check out all the information in the blog post and the link in the description. It answers all your questions about what is a lead magnet and how to use them to successfully generate leads for your business. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel. More videos here on the end screen that keep talking about lead magnets, so check those out. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.